I'm not ready yet because the important Heidi. The most important thing. Ikaw, Lods, talaga to. Pampanga. Pero, province ko, Pampanga. Tapos may bahay kami sa Manila. Father side. This is the most important thing. Maybe you guys don't see it. But I see it. Just a little. Ayoko na madami. Ano yan? Looking great today. Check up. No. May pa-flashback si Bigo. Ayoko ng flashback. Ayoko na. I don't want anymore. I'm tired. This is okay. Anong hehehe? E di kung sinan mo na yung kiss me na yan. E di happy ang lahat. Pati yung viewers matutuwa. Hi, Jordan! On 5 na lang, oh. What big? My heart? Sino ba naman ang di mahuhuli? Ay, ito yung loko-lokong nagsasabi ng papayan. James, hello. Hi, Uno. Good morning, guys. Guys, baka naman pa 3-star niyo na ako. Road to 3-star. Pasko naman eh. Sabi ni Santa Claus, bigyan niyo daw ako. Dun, dun, dun.